Hi people, it's me again, Dr. Essie. In this my video, I'm going to be talking about the signs and symptoms of fibroid. What do you see? How do they present when they have fibroid? The most common one, which we all know, is that they have abdominal swell. Their tummy will be big. When you see them, you think that they are pregnant. That's how fibroid can present. It can also present with menorrhagia. That's excessive bleeding in the bleeding during menstrual flow, so they can just be bleeding for a very long time, and that's one of the reasons that can make a woman present when they bleeding. Because of the excessive bleeding, they cannot start having iron deficiency anemia. They become weak, they get easily tired. All the signs and symptoms of iron deficiency anemia will not come into place. Then again, after that, another thing, depending upon the location of it, it can lead to fertility. You see many women, even when their tummy is big, they may not be so worried. But when the now starts affecting their fertility, they are trying to conceive, they cannot conceive. You see them presenting in the hospital. Yes. Another thing that you can say happen is that can also called dysmenorrhea, where they have painful menstrual flow. They have painful menstrual flow. Very fibroid can also cause it. And so funny to even think, I even saw that it can also lead to dyspareunia, that is painful sexual intercourse. Fibroid can also lead to that, yes. Then there's another thing that fibroid can also cause, what we call the compressive symptoms. That's when because it's a big mass, when they're now compressing other structures around there, they can compress the blood vessels on the leg. You can see them, the woman having swelling of the leg because blood cannot flow back to the body. You can see then compression on the bladder, so the bladder urine cannot go flow as before. It can even lead to some backward symptoms where it now finally affects the kidney. Some people can start be having frequency and urinary symptoms and all that. Then again, in some places when the fibroid is so big, the blood supply to it will be reduced, and so it can now start kind of dying small, and that can lead to another severe pain. So fibroid is a important thing that can affect women. Excessive bleeding, most time infertility, they look pregnant, the compressive system, even the stomach, start having gastritis, reflux, gastric reflux, and also it is a very serious complication. So I want you to share with your sister if they're having bleeding that cannot be explained, having fertility problem, it can just be fibroids. Some fibroids does not even show because it depends on the location. You can always speak to me and seek medical help. Follow for more, invite your sisters, and take care. God bless you. Bye.